Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. And you already know your girl is super excited. Like, Walmart is my favorite store to shop at. They finally got items in stock. Like, my store has been bare for I don't know how long, so I finally got a chance to pick up some items. These items that I got is not from my local store, so I didn't do a shop with me because it was just really spur of the moment. But y'all, I'm excited about these pieces. I will have everything linked in the description box below. If it is an in-store only item, I will let you know that, again, in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. Okay, sis, so we're starting off strong. I think this is my favorite outfit. Like, I'm in love. I love color, and this is perfect for the springtime, which I think that this line is for spring, just given the colors and the outfit, the shorts and stuff. But anyway, so this is the top. I got this from the junior section. It is in the brand No Boundaries. I got it in an extra large, and how much was it? It was $16.98. So that is not a bad price. Again, y'all, it's this cute multicolored sweater. It has a drawstring at the bottom. I don't know if that's to make it cropped or to just make it fitted at the bottom. I'm not sure. I would have liked it better if it was cropped, but I'm not mad at it. Like, not mad at it at all. I got it in a size extra large because, again, it's in the junior section. I typically size up because the fit is, you know, basically for juniors and teens and stuff. Normally I would get a large, but this outfit literally, I wouldn't say was selling out. It looked like they just put it out and they had this in another color as well. But the large was already taken. I don't know if they only had two or whatever, but yeah, the large was already taken. But I'm not mad at the extra large fit. Like, I feel like the extra large fits me very well, surprisingly. Again, they had this in another color and both of them was cute, but I think this one was the cutest and this one was the one that was more picked through. So yeah, just super cute. Again, it fits me nicely, not too tight, not too tight, not too big. I'm like, what's the opposite of tight? But yeah, so really cute, y'all. Then it paired with these shorts. Now, I'm really not a shorts person. Like, I typically don't wear shorts often, but these are cute. Now, it was like a little getting used to for me because, again, I don't wear shorts, and especially like fitted shorts, because I'll just be, I don't know, I'm skinny, but I still be feeling like everything's out there. I don't have a lot to be out there, but you get what I'm saying. Like, I just feel a little, you know. Anyway, but I think these are so cute. I got them in a size medium. The large was like super big, and as you can see, these are stretchy, so I didn't want the large to just be loose, you know, and then it just looked like, you know, like, oh my goodness, why is her booty saggy, you know? So yeah, I got the medium, and the medium fits me perfect. Again, these are super stretchy, and the large was, girl, the large was big. But anyway, these were $9.98, again, in the same brand, No Boundaries, and I just love the fit. Like, they're not too short. They're short, but they're not too short. Like, I can deal with it, you know what I'm saying? Again, it's gonna take me a little minute to get used to because I'm not used to wearing like shorts and fitted shorts at that. But I think this outfit is so bomb. Like, the color scheme, sis, everything is just, everything is cute. So I paired this with a pink Zara bag and then my multicolored Nike Jordan lows, and sis, I cannot wait for the springtime. So this is the next fit, sis. I tried to get a little girly on this go around, especially because, again, I went to a different Walmart somewhere I'm not even used to, and they literally only had items in the juniors and women's sections. Like, the men's section sucked, so this go around I did not shop in the men's section, and that's unheard of for me because I usually shop there first and women's second. So yeah, this is like a little girly haul. Anyways, so this is the top or jacket, whatever you want to call it. It's a corduroy jacket. It's cropped. Like, it's not too cropped, but it's cropped enough. But she's super cute. It's in the brand Celebrity Pink, and I got it in a size medium. I've been seeing Celebrity Pink a lot at Walmart lately, and I think the last place I seen it, or the place I seen it before, was like Ross, if I'm not mistaken. And I like their brand. Like, they have some really cute clothes. So this jacket was $29.50, a little on the pricier side, but it's good quality and it is a nice jacket. Again, it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's literally perfect for the springtime. I love the color and the corduroy, the texture and stuff. It's just really cute. It has a zipper here at the top, and I kind of just zipped it all the way down just to give it like some shape, and off the shoulders just a tad bit, but not too much. Just, you know, trying to make it a little bit more cropped and just, again, have like a shape. But it fits me really nicely. The size medium fits me perfectly. It has like the little pockets right here if you want to put something in, or just, you know, for decoration. But yeah, she's super cute. I paired it with these pants. Ooh, girl, hold on. Let's get it together. Okay, so I paired it with these pants. Is it the same brand? Yes, it's the same brand, Celebrity Pink, from the junior section, if I didn't already say that. This and that jacket. These were $22.50 and I got them in a size 9. Again, y'all, I typically size up in Walmart items, even though I've seen this at Ross as well. Girl, I can't even talk. I sized up because it kind of runs small, and I'm glad I sized up. My normal size is a 7 and I got these in a 9, and they fit me perfectly to the T. These are super cute. I love the denim and the floral. Like, I'm big on patterns. Like, I love me a good pattern, and especially floral, and I'm a sucker for like pastel colors, so this was right up my alley. But y'all, super cute. I love the distressed or like raw hem at the bottom of these pants. Like, sis, I love it. They're really cute. They're not too stretchy, but they're not too tight. They're literally like the perfect fit and the perfect blend between just like a regular jean and then like a little stretch. Just a little, like, I like a little stretch. I don't like it too stretchy because I don't like fitted jeans, but it's like, you know, a mom jean. Is that what it is? Yeah, girl, it literally says high-rise mom, and I'm up here explaining. Anyways, but yeah, they're a nice fit, y'all. I would recommend to size up. If everything paired nicely together, I paired it with some boots that are super old that I got from Rue 21 years ago, and then my Zara furry bag, and we got us a look. Next look, sis. This next look is so cute. Like, I love a good set, honey. As soon as I seen this outfit, I said it's a go. It is definitely a go. It came in this pretty magenta pink color as well as a regular jean color, and I went with pink, this little magenta, because I'm attracted to color. But the jean one was cute too, but I already have like a little jean situation, so I didn't get the jean one, or not jean, I didn't get the denim one, but I wanted the colored denim. But yeah, girl, she's cute, ain't she? So this is from the brand Celebrity Pink, and this jacket was, I want to say $29. Yes, this was $29.50. Again, pretty much the same price, I guess, for their jackets. It's really good quality. Super, I'm gonna say super thick, but it's thick. Like, it's a good quality. It's not thin. You can tell that this is a quality jacket. Again, perfect for the springtime. And y'all, when I say I love this jacket, I love it. It fits me really nicely. And then it has like the little splits, or not really split, I call it a split, but it's kind of like a split at the bottom. It's just, girl, I love the way it fits. It is fairly long. They have it listed as a shacket, so it is a little long. On the card, it has the person wearing it open. Let me show y'all. It has the girl wearing it open, so maybe they thought that that's how everybody was gonna wear it, because with me having it buttoned up, it's kind of longer than the shorts. Let me show y'all the shorts. So this is where to pair it with the shorts. The shorts are just a tad bit short, but not really. Like, separately, everything is perfect, but together, you have to kind of put it off your shoulders and or probably tuck one side in. You gotta play with it in order for you to see the shorts, or else it's gonna look like you don't have on anything. But I love the look. Like, I love it. I kind of wish it came in pants, because again, I'm not really a shorts girl, and especially just because this jacket is a little longer, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I really like it. I may try to wear it open. I don't know. I'll see what it looks like, but right now I kind of like how I have it styled, like a little off my shoulder. Anyway, y'all, so again, from the juniors, I got this in a size 7, and these were $14.50, so not a bad price at all once you put it all together. Not bad for a set. So yeah, 1450, size 7 is my true size. So I don't recommend like sizing up or anything because these fit me to the T. Like they fit me so well. I'm so glad I did not size up to a size 9 just because they would have been too big. But these are cute. It has the distressed raw hem cut. It has like the little hole right here and the little distressed markings right there. Y'all, these are so cute, and together it just paired so nicely. Like I love this set. Anyways, I paired it with my Kurt Geiger bag because it had all of the colors. Like my shoes again are some Jordan Lows, different colors, and everything paired super cute together. So I'm starting to see a trend. I think the store that I went to literally just carries everything celebrity pink, and I'm not mad at it because sis, we have us another little shacket, another little outfit from Celebrity Pink, size medium in this shacket, and this one, oh, this one says $29.50. However, this was on the sale rack for $15. Again, probably because this is more towards the winter time because it's black, it's leather, it's dark, it's not for the springtime. So this one was on sale, and now that I think about it, those floral pants was on sale too for $15 as well. So anyways, now that we got that out the way, this jacket fits me really nice. It's thick, good for the winter and or spring if you want to wear it in the springtime as like a night out outfit, as the way I styled it. Like this outfit right here, this is my second favorite. This is definitely would be a go-to outfit for a date night if I was going somewhere, drinks with the girls or whatever. Like this outfit is outfitting, sis. It is definitely outfitting. Anyways, the medium fits me really nicely. Again, not too big, not too small. It has the same little slits like the pink jacket, and then with me wearing it off my shoulders a little bit, it's kind of long. Like I like it. Like I like to wear stuff that covers my butt and then have on a pair of leggings. Like I just like that type of look, like a big like little top and then leggings. It's just cute to me. Like, yeah. So yeah, just really nice. Again, very nice material. I paired it with these black pants. No, this is not a set or whatever. It just kind of went. And yeah, and they didn't even have that many of these, again, because it's the winter time. Hopefully they have them online, but it's the winter time and they are basically trying to get rid of all this leather, pleather, whatever. So yeah, these are from the brand No Boundary. I got them in a size 11. I did get it in a size 9 at first, which is my size up. But since they're like the little faux leather stretch pants, I wanted to go up 2 sizes because I already knew that it was going to be something with me trying to get in them. And I'm so glad that I did because sis, these fit me to the T. Like, honey, to the T. So these were $17.98. I'm not sure. I want to say they were maybe $11 on sale. Again, don't quote me, but I think they were on sale because they're trying to get rid of them. But y'all, they're really nice. I seen these all winter long. They had them in brown, light brown, and I finally got my hands on a pair in black, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at the fit. It's like a little cropped ankle action going on. It looks real cute with the shoes that I paired it with, but overall, the outfit is really cute together. It looks like it's a set. I paired it with some black and gold heels with like a big little gold chain that I got from Zara. And then my bag is an outer bag from TJ Maxx. And sis, we are ready for date night. So that concludes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.